Don't look at me, please don't. Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel! So I've finally decided to do this, and I've been wanting to do this for so long. So last week I uploaded my first video, which is this one, and please watch it if you haven't watched it yet. I wasn't really talking or actively trying to vlog when I took those clips. It was supposed to be just for memories, but I found them again and I decided to post it. For the next video, I thought of doing a week in my life vlog. So as you all know, I've been staying here in Riyadh for almost 3 months now. Or I think it's 3 months already. Yeah, it's 3 months. So just a little self background. I grew up here in Riyadh and I lived here for 16 years because my parents are working here and I arrived here when I was only 2 years old. I studied in Second Philippine International School, which is a Philippine school here in Riyadh, obviously. Then I moved back to the Philippines for my senior high school and college. I graduated from St. Louis University in Baguio City as Bachelor of Science in Psychology. I recently passed the board exam for Psychometrician 2 and now here I am still navigating which next path I'll take.
I know a lot of things, but I don't know about that. I'm not sure why.
So while I navigate that, I just want to share my life as a 23-year-old who's still figuring it all out. By the way, I'm here at Paul Cafe in Tahaliya Street and it's currently 11:18 p.m. This street is famous for night cafes because cafes here are just next to each other and they're accessible since it's just in the city center. I always go here, do some work sometimes, and just stay here for hours when I have nothing to do at home or I'm bored. So that's all and I hope ma-enjoy nyo tong vlog na to. Guys, they gave us a free pastry. I don't know what flavor this is, but it really looks good. Thank you po. Whoever that waiter is. I think pa-close na din kasi sila. Kaya binigay na yan. Kasi sayang. I think I'm gonna do some walking. YouTube! Yeah, yeah. Walking here in Tahaliya Street. See, kakatabi talaga yung mga cafes dito, guys. Ang daming tao pag gabi. The coffee culture here in Saudi is staying late at night sa cafes instead of sa morning or sa afternoon. Sa kanila, it's 8 p.m. pataas until 3 a.m. sometimes. Ang dami pa ding tao sa labas kahit until 3 a.m. And mostly yung cafes dito, halos lahat 24/7 sila or until 4 a.m.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But
Dito kasi sa street na to, it's mostly Arabs. May Filipinos din, pero bihira. Guys, this was my old school, yung SPIS. Ngayon no, grabe. Parang walang nangyari. As in, empty na siya. Bakanteng lote. Memories of those years. Wala na lang. Today we're at View Mall. We're gonna have dinner with my parents. I think we're gonna eat at Sushi Library. The weather is not too hot today, which I like for the past few days. Sobrang init. Pero ngayon, I think di naman siya ganun kainit. And alam niyo ba dito sa Saudi, guys, wala kasing humid dito. So pag mainit, mainit talaga. Parang sinusunog yung skin mo. Sala na pala. Another fun fact, Saudi before, every time na sala or prayer time, lahat ng establishments nagko-close. You have to wait for 15 to 30 minutes or even an hour bago sila magbukas ulit. They really make time na mag-focus sila sa prayer nila, close all establishments. Pero ngayon, since modern day na and hindi na siya ganun kaano and hindi naman lahat Muslims, so may mga stores na hindi na nila kino-close mostly. Siguro may mga magko-close ilan lang. Ito, katulad nito. Ayan, naka-close tong store na to. Pero yung iba, naka-open. Ever since talaga, nung bumalik ako dito sa Saudi, i-compare ko siya dun sa mga times na, or years na lumaki ako dito sa Saudi. Very different from now. Alam yan lahat ng mga lumaki dito sa Saudi. Here's my mom. I'm so full. So I think I want some ice cream. Sige, doon na lang tayo mag-ice cream. Baskin Robbins. Flavor should I get today? Separate. And then one value spoon. Magbayad tayo, guys. Because I promised wala ako magbabayad. So here's my ice cream. Mas malaki sa akin. Mas mahal siya ng 5 real. Nagmahal na pala yung ice cream dito, guys. Hindi ko lang napapansin kasi hindi naman ako yung nagbabayad. Yeah. Come with me today. I'm gonna get my nails done. Hi. Hey. We're here at Red Carpet Salon. Meow. Meow. Dami nila, guys. Cute. Hello.
Or longer lasting than
Could I do that with my nails? Got my nails. So, I got short nails only. Nasira na yung nails ko kaka-nail extension. Kaya ni-recommend no nagmamani dito na I should get smaller nails mo and stop gel extensions because they're so brittle and sensitive. I think it turned out good. Pwede po ba ako mag-give ng tip? Angelica po. Thank you so much. Yes, you again. Yeah. Thank you po. We wait for my parents outside. So cute! I like it. I don't usually go for short nails. Like, lagi ako nagpapa-gel extensions. Pero right now, yeah, I've decided short muna. Kasi masisira na yung nails ko. Baka kumalas na sila sa kamay ko. I'm really glad I chose this design. Dumaan lang to sa FYP ko kanina. Tanong natin saan na sila. If they're here. Hello!
ano na artista?
Saan kayo galing? So, we're here at Halo Restaurant because we're gonna have dinner daw. Karaoke dito, guys. Kaya medyo maingay. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig pa. sauce.
Okay ka lang daw? Sabihin niyo po kami. Siyempre alam na alam niyo.
Today, nag-check-in lang kami dito sa isang hotel. We're gonna spend one night lang. I'm with my family. Kasi discounted siya dun sa company ng dad ko. So, naisip namin na why not mag-hotel this weekend? May kumakatok ba? Hello! Thank you! Meron tayong fruits, guys, and cookies. So, I'm gonna give you guys a quick sweet tour. So, meron pala tayong jacuzzi dito. Pink. I'm gonna use that mamayang gabi. Meron din kaming a-attendan na gender reveal party tonight from 5 to 8 p.m. yata yun. We're just gonna head there muna, then go back here, then spend the night and check out yata at around 12 p.m. tomorrow. Yeah, standard. Mabubuksan ba to? Try natin tong cookies. Akala ko chocolate chip. Raisins pala. Pay-pay, dito muna kayo. Bless po. Thank you po. Init na.
Wait lang po ilalagay ko.
Hindi ko alam paano mag-vlog. Good morning with our ate. Diyan picture.
Ayan guys, mini turon chicken flavor. Beefsteak Tagalog. Call Verita. Be Cool Express. Sisit Pansit. Mix VJs. Search. Kanin with rice. Galing.
Okay.
Yeah, one waffle please. So we're about to check out.
Hello YouTube, like, subscribe, thank you so much. What's your name, YouTube?
Angel. Today, we're walking. I'm with my mom. Nakahiga lang kasi kami all day. Kaya naisip namin, why not walk? Puro bed rat. Ano to, walking or grocery?
Alam nila pa ganun.
Grabe ang mahal. But it looks good. Ay, kuha ka na itong peach, ma. I'm just gonna have green tea for tonight. Gel. We're here at Pink Song.
I'm always dreaming about you.
Here at a Filipino market in Basa. So, dito nyo lang makikita yung mga Filipino products. We love going here. This is my mom's favorite grocery store. Kasi sabi niya, dito daw lahat. Anong oras po magla-live?
I'm always dreaming about
Kano tong tender juicy? 19? Ang mahal naman. Dito na lang tayo sa Beef Franks. Grabe, hindi man lang nila iniba yung font.
dreaming about you.
Oh my God, may Pasta Express na pala sila dito. This is my favorite. This is such a waste of plastic. Yung nangopya ka ng homework ng classmate mo pero medyo iniba mo. Chocolate? Ayan o, regalo. The hell is Julia Beauty. Init. Since I started this vlog on a random Tuesday, I'm gonna end it on a random Tuesday too with a date with my friend. On the way tayo ngayon to meet Thea. I'm gonna ride the metro. But first, mag-recharge muna tayo ng ating card. Sobrang modern na talaga dito sa Riyadh. Ano na, Pilipinas. Nakakalungkot lang isipin na we as Filipinos, we can also achieve this kind of convenience and modernity. Pero yun nga, nasa bansa tayo ng corrupt. It's just sad na mararanasan na lang natin lahat ng to sa ibang bansa.
Results in a fine of 200 Saudi riyals. Thank you for your cooperation.
No, see.
Pahuling kita ko ata sa night market.
Oh? Ay, oo. Yun lang.
Hindi pa tayo
Tapos wala
graduate
na.
nun. Layo na nung narating natin.
Kaya nga.
Ibang bansa na kami.
OFW na
Kaya,
kami.
kamusta dyan sa Pilipinas?
Finally, we're here!
Hanap na rin namin, guys.
Ang init. Ay, saan may entrance?
Tanga.
Ay, hala, ang cute! Hi, hello! Good afternoon! Hello! $38 to, guys. Hindi niya man lang sinabi may additional yung oat milk tsaka vanilla.
Nag-aya pa siya.
Oo nga.
Sabi,
Nagtanong.
kasing lasa kung wala eh.
Diba? Di ba dapat may lasa na yung 28? Naging 38 pa siya. Aesthetic naman siya.
Background natin.
Okay. Lasa naman yung matcha. So, may try.
Oh, try mo to.
Hindi ako managkape, kaya...
Di ba? Sorry. Hindi naman pinag-usapan ito.
So, as a girly na ngayon ka lang pumunta ulit dito after ilang years?
6 years.
6 years?
Simula
Oh.
pagka-graduate ko. Nakagraduate na ako ulit.
2018? Ay, oo, 2019. Tapos, nag-senior high school ka sa Baguio. Ano yung mga napansin mong differences dito nung bumalik? Very shocking sa akin nung 2022. Kasi biglang wala ng abaya, gano'n.
Doon ba yun?
Oo, doon nag-start. Tapos, last year naman, yung pinaka nagulat ako, yung train.
Ay, last year lang yun.
Oo, last year lang yun.
So for me, halos lahat nagbago. Yung probinsya. Yung place kasi namin, di ba, na Sim sa may National Guard. Huli kong alala doon is parang lahat under renovation pa.
Over naman siya si Glaze.
You are the best. No.
The best looking Filipinas I've seen.
Wala kaming pan-tip, ha?
Wala kaming
38
tip.
yung matcha.
Kano yung 38 sa Pilipinas?
Tapos may VAT pa pala.
Ito yung matcha ko, guys.
What the fuck? Ano to? Graduation. Divines. So, sa mga naghahanap if may convenience store ba sa CAFD? Okay na. Ayan.
Ayun, gumalaw. Ayun, nahanap na namin yung tago na convenience.
Diba? Hindi siya exposed sa public eye.
True.
Secret lang siya, ganun.
Pasakay na ulit kami ng metro. We're gonna go have dinner. San?
Wingstop.
Hello! Say hi to the vlog! Hi! We're at Blue Line. Bababa tayo sa Bank Albilad Station.
Ano ba ng context mo nag-aaw?
Ay, hindi ko alam. Naintindihan ko ba Arabic, te? Bigla na lang, di ba, nandun kami? Tapos may
Tahimik?
Oo, tahimik. Tapos may bigla na lang sumigaw. Inaatake niya isang babae.
Ay, dalawang babae sila nag-fight.
Oo, biglang tumayo yung babae. Sumigaw siya. Sinisigawan niya isang babae.
Ang tahimik ng train na to, wala man lang pa-music, tapos biglang sisigaw, be.
Na para bang, her life depends on that sigaw.
Baka nalaman niya nakabitch. Ay,
Shit.
ikaw pala yung third wife.
We're here at Narcissus Hotel.
Ganda. Ganun.
Kakababa lang natin dito sa Bank Albilad Station. And we're gonna walk sa my Wingstop.
At least alam ko na, dito pala bababa.
Taga Nasim ka kasi, te. Ang layo. Ang dulo ng kabihasnan yun, te.
Dulo ng orange line, which is the lowest level of line. Ang
Bongan.
pinakadulo ng Riyadh.
Puro green lights dito. Talagang Saudi, no?
Parang green, parang royal green.
Hanggang dun sa may Kingdom Tower, green siya, guys. Lahat ng building dito.
Hi, how are you? Subscribe, okay?
School tayo parang peak level mo na pag nakapag-McDo ka with friend. After YFC event, lalabas kayo. Parang, ay, wow!
Mas baliktad ba? Oo, lemon pepper cake. 7-Up, guys. Mojito. I-recommend lang ni Thea. Sure ka, masarap to, ha?
For me. Diba?
Ay po, kakain po kami. Mango habanero. Cajun fries.
Balik na lang ulit, I guess.
Bye!
Hello.
Last stop before going home.
Like, share, subscribe.
Ayun.